Hi folks, welcome to Bommarito Volkswagen in St. Louis. Let me tell you something about when it snows here and we get a huge amount of snow. Look at the amount of snow we got. But look at the lot. When you come here, the very next day, we clear our lot. So you can still purchase your brand new or used vehicle and not have to trounce through snow, worry about ice. Vehicles are all cleaned off, so you know what they look like. Come on down and see us and see what the difference Bommarito Volkswagen in St. Louis makes.